I have an NYC apartment with an old bathtub, 1920s, and an external standing waste and overflow tower. The tower has been damaged, and my contractor is telling me that it can safely be cut off and capped, versus opening the floor to replace the drain. I would like to know how this sounds to trained plumbers. If it can indeed be safely capped, then we do so and just use a drain plug for baths. But if it is going to result in water all over my floor, I'd like not to.
Have you talked to a construction professional about the floor?
We have the option to open the floor to replace the drain, but not without cost, so.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
No.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, okay.
My name is. I look forward to helping you. I am a licensed plumber, and with that license I can't in good conscience ever do a hack job like that. I'm sorry, but to me my profession is much too important to advise you to do something that really isn't right. Does that make sense?
Makes sense to me. Are you familiar with these types of drains? Could you explain to me how they work? I am mostly trying to figure out how to explain to my contractor why a cap will not work.
Yes, I understand how they work. You have a waste and overflow. They tied together so if you ever overfilled the tub it would go down the drain. But what I don't understand is where they're going to it and how it's going to drain. Is he talking about just capping the overflow?
It's okay, I can continue to research.
If you're saying that because the phone requested is automatic and wasn't sent by me, ignore it.
No, I just don't want to bother you.
Is that the vent pipe? If that's the drain or the vent, you're going to have all kinds of issues draining the tub. The vent prevents siphonage and the drain itself prevents smells.
8212. So basically the style is called an external standing waste and overflow. The tub itself does not have an overflow drain, just a waste drain. The water is supposed to flow into an external waste and overflow barrel, which you can stop up to fill the tub for a bath and unstop to let the water out. What has happened here is that the external barrel was damaged and hacked off, literally a hack job as far as I can tell. They want to just cap it, and they say that the only loss of functionality will be that the tub will need to be plugged with an aftermarket plug when we want to take a bath. I say there's also been a loss of functionality because there is no overflow drain anymore, but I could even live with that. What I am most worried about is if there's one day a plug in the drain somewhere past the tub, and now instead of backing up in my tub, it overflows out the capped hole in the floor.
Yes, I understand all that. I would fix it right or I wouldn't touch it as a reputable plumbing contractor.
Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.